Today, I'll walk you through how to edit an invoice in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to update your invoices so you can keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, start by signing into your Xero account. Think of this as entering the main office of your digital accounting space. Once you're in, click on Sales and select Invoices. This is like opening the filing cabinet where all your invoices are stored. Now find and open the invoice you want to update. This step is akin to pulling out the specific document you need from a stack of papers. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface, but the core steps remain the same. Once you've opened the invoice, click Edit to make changes. This is your digital pen, allowing you to update any details necessary. You can modify the reference, description, or any other available fields. Imagine this as revising a draft to ensure all the information is current and correct. After making your changes, take a moment to review everything. It's like proofreading a letter before sending it out, ensuring that all details are accurate and nothing is overlooked. Once you're satisfied, click Save to update the invoice. This action finalizes your edits, much like sealing an envelope before mailing it. The invoice will now reflect the changes you made, ensuring your records are precise and reliable. And that's how to edit an invoice in Xero. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.